Namaste and welcome to Try for Learn. It's me, Rupesh Singh Bohara. In this video also, I'm going to share another idea for construction for SEE preparing students. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is equals to 5.5 cm, BC is equals to 4 cm, and angle BAD is equals to 45 degree, and then construct triangle AMN having one angle 60 degree and equal in area of the parallelogram. Given in parallelogram ABCD, AB is equals to 5.5 cm, BC equals to 4 cm, and angle BAD equals to 45 degree. To construct a parallelogram ABCD and then a triangle AMN having one angle 60 degree and equal in area of the parallelogram. Now let's do a rough sketch for this purpose. Rough sketch. First of all, here we have to draw parallelogram ABCD. This is rough sketch, so by using scale and pencil, simply you can draw here parallelogram without any measurement. The shape should be like parallelogram. You can give name of this parallelogram ABCD, and also you can write their length and angles which are given in question. This is parallelogram ABCD where AB is given 5.5 cm, so let's write here 5.5 cm. BC is given 4 cm, so write down here 4 cm. Angle BAD is given there 45 degree. Do you know opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and parallel? So here AD should be 4 cm, and also AB is 5.5 cm. Its opposite side is DC. How much should be DC? Yeah, this is 5.5 cm. You're right. Now here we need to construct triangle whose area will equal with this ABCD. So for that, what will you do? We will produce its base AB, equal with its length. It means length of this AB and that produced line segment should be equal. And name of triangle is AMN. So you can say this produced point is M. Length of this AB and BM should be equal. Now here, according to question, one angle of that triangle is 60 degrees. So either in A or M, you will draw 60 degree angle. So here I'm planning to draw 60 degree angle in M, and by joining that point with this vertex A, so that here we will get triangle AMN is equals to parallelogram ABCD. This is all about rough sketch. Now by following that rough sketch, let's do construction. First of all, here we have to draw base AB whose length is 5.5 cm. So let's draw that 5.5 cm. By using scale, here you see 5.5. Yeah, this is exactly 5.5 cm, where name of line segment is AB. So let's write here A and here V. From that rough sketch, you may see there in vertex A, there is 45 degree angle. So here in A, we have to draw angle of 45 degree. To draw 45 degree angle in A, we have to take arc from that A by using compass, and you have to keep this constant, and then you have to take the same arc from this point, and so that you will get here angle of 60 degree. Now if you join this vertex A and the intersecting arc, then we will get angle of 60 degree, because to draw 45 degree, first of all we need to construct angle of 60 degree, and by the help of that we will draw angle of 30 degree, and then we will draw 45 degree angle. Now let's join this A and intersecting point. Now this is 60 degree angle. Now if we take arc from this 0 and the same arc from this arc of 60 degree, then we will get intersection of these two arcs, and if you join this intersecting point with this vertex A, so that will form angle of 30 degree with base AB. Now if you join this intersecting arc with this vertex A, you will get angle of 30 degree with this base AB. Here this one is 30 degree and this whole is 60 degree. If you cut arc from this 30 degree and this 60 degree, you will get arc for 45 degree. Now if you cut arc from this 60 degree and the same arc from this 30 degree, join vertex A with this intersecting point, so that you will get angle of 45 degree From this surface case, you can see from that A there is line AD whose length is 4 cm. So here we should cut arc of 4 cm length from this vertex A. So let's measure 4 cm in compass. Yes, this is exactly 4 cm. So let's cut this arc from A, because there you see in the roughest case AD is 4 cm. This intersecting point is D. According to this question, ABCD is a parallelogram, so that opposite sides of parallelogram should be equal. Here you see AD is 4 cm, so its opposite side should be 4 cm. So we should cut this arc of 4 cm from vertex B also. And from vertex D, there is 5.5 cm length line segment DC. So we should measure 5.5 cm in compass, and then we have to take that arc from D. So let's measure 5.5 cm. Look at this. This is exactly 5.5 cm. So let's cut this arc from D, because from D, there you see in roughest case 5.5 cm line segment is drawn. This intersecting point is vertex C. So let's write its name, vertex C. If we join B and D with this vertex C, then we will get parallelogram ABC. By scale and pencil, you have to join B and C. Also join B and C. Now construction of parallelogram ABCD is complete. After this, we have to draw triangle whose area is equal with this parallelogram ABCD. For that purpose, we need to produce its base AB equal with its length. Okay, by using scale and pencil, let's produce its base AB up to 5.5 cm, because AB is 5.5 cm. Look at this. This is exactly 5.5 cm. And give the name of this endpoint N, because required triangle is AMN. Now, according to this question, one angle of that triangle should be 60 degrees. So either from vertex M or A, we should draw angle of 60 degree. Already there is 60 degree angle drawn in vertex A. So here you can draw line segment from A. And now you have to produce this CD until and unless that intersect this line segment. Okay, now that intersecting point is N, because name of required triangle is AMN. And now if you join that N with this M, you will get required triangle AMN. By using a scale and pencil like this, you have to join this. Here we get triangle AMN whose area is equal with parallelogram ABCD. Here it's better to give symbols. This AB is equal with line segment AB is equal with BM. Finally, here you can write parallelogram ABCD is equal with triangle AMN. Okay, it is complete. If you want to draw 60 degree angle in vertex M, okay, you can follow this process. Here you have to take arc in vertex M. You have to keep this constant, and then from this point you have to take arc. So if you join this intersecting point with this vertex M, so that you will get 60 degree angle. Now you may join this M with intersecting point. The line which is drawn from vertex M does not intersect DC, so we should produce that DC by the help of scale and pencil. This intersecting point is N, because name of triangle is AMN. Okay, now if you join A and N, then you will get required triangle AMN. So by the help of scale and pencil, join A and. Here we get triangle AMN whose area is equal with parallelogram ABCD. Now here it's better to give symbols. Here AB is parallel with DC and AD parallel to BC. Also, this AB is also line segment AB is equal with BM. We did this. Finally, here we should write what we did here. We have drawn area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of triangle AMN. So let's write here. Therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle AMN. It completes the construction of triangle whose area is equal with area of parallelogram. Finally, let me describe what we did here. First of all, here you have to write what is given in question. We need to construct parallelogram ABCD, and also we need to construct triangle AMN having one angle 60 degree whose area is equal with area of the parallelogram. For this, here we have drawn a rough sketch. Yeah, parallelogram ABCD is drawn, and also triangle AMN is drawn where one angle is 60 degree. Here in rough sketch we have to write sides, length of sides, and angles. And in construction, by following that rough sketch, here we have to construct parallelogram ABCD, and then we have to produce its base AB equal with its length. BM is equal with AB. You know, this AB is produced up to M. After this, here you see in vertex M, here is drawn 60-degree angle, and from where NN is, and then we get here triangle AMN whose area is equal with parallelogram ABCD. Therefore, it gives area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of triangle AMN. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, you may share with your students and friends. Thank you very much. Keep in touch.